Today, we're making a refreshing iced Americano using the HiBREW Hydrogen Boride Coffee Machine. First, we start by filling the water tank to ensure the machine is ready for extraction. Now, let's move over to the HiBREW G5 coffee grinder. Turn it on and adjust the grinding level to your preference for that perfect grind. Add fresh coffee beans into the grinder and start the grinding process. The G5 offers a smooth, uniform grind, ensuring the best flavor extraction for your coffee. Once the grinding is complete, press the ground coffee firmly into the 58mm handle, preparing it for brewing. Next, turn on the HiBREW Hydrogen Boride Coffee Machine and allow it to preheat. While the machine is heating up, you can adjust the cup size and water volume to tailor the strength of your coffee. Once preheating is done, place the handle securely into the machine and begin the extraction process. As the rich, aromatic coffee flows into your cup, get ready by filling a glass with plenty of ice. Once the extraction is complete, pour the freshly brewed coffee over the ice. Now you have a perfectly crafted iced Americano ready to enjoy.